Today, we're going to take a journey through the planets in our solar system. Thanks for tuning in. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Mercury. Let's begin with Mercury. The planet closest to the Sun, Mercury, is classified as a terrestrial or rocky planet and orbits the Sun at a distance just under 58 million kilometers, or 36 million miles. It holds the title of the smallest planet in the solar system, with a diameter of only 4,879 kilometers or 3,031 miles. It's only slightly bigger than Earth's moon, and visually, they appear quite alike. Though Mercury is small, it ranks as the second most dense planet in the solar system. It takes just 88 days to complete one full orbit around the Sun. However, a full day-night cycle on Mercury lasts about 58 Earth days. The temperatures on Mercury's surface can reach a scorching 430 degrees Celsius 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, but with no atmosphere to trap the heat, the nighttime temperature can drop to minus 180 degrees Celsius minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Mercury's gravity is approximately 38% of Earth's. So, someone weighing 220 pounds on Earth would weigh just 84 pounds on Mercury. The many craters on its surface show that Mercury has taken a beating from countless impacts over time. Venus. Next in line from the Sun is Venus. Like Mercury, Venus is also a rocky or terrestrial planet, orbiting at a little over 107 million kilometers, 67 million miles, from the Sun. Its diameter is 12,103 kilometers or 7,520 miles. Despite not being the closest to the Sun, Venus is actually the hottest planet, with surface temperatures soaring to 465 degrees Celsius 900 degrees Fahrenheit. This is due to its thick carbon dioxide atmosphere and clouds of sulfuric acid. These dense clouds filter sunlight, giving the surface an orange hue. The planet's surface is dotted with thousands of volcanoes, along with mountains and valleys. One notable peak, Maxwell Montes, is comparable in size to Mount Everest. Venus takes 225 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun, but due to its slow spin, a single day there lasts nearly 243 Earth days, meaning a Venusian day is longer than its year. Venus's gravity is about 90% of Earth's, so a person who weighs 220 pounds on Earth would weigh around 198 pounds there. Scientists believe Venus may once have had oceans of liquid water, but a runaway greenhouse effect drastically altered its environment, offering a stark reminder of what could happen to Earth under similar conditions. Earth. Now we arrive at a planet we all know well, our home, Earth. Earth is also a terrestrial planet, and it orbits the Sun at a pleasant distance of 149.6 million kilometers, 92.9 million miles. This distance, along with our protective atmosphere, plays a major role in supporting the wide variety of life we see. Earth is the densest planet in the solar system, measuring 12,742 kilometers, 7,917 miles, in diameter. Temperatures on Earth vary widely depending on both location and season. The highest recorded temperature was 56.7 degrees Celsius 134.1 degrees Fahrenheit in Death Valley, California, at Furnace Creek Ranch in July 1913. The lowest was minus 89 degrees Celsius minus 128 degrees Fahrenheit, recorded in July 1983 at a Soviet weather station in Antarctica. Earth takes 365 days to orbit the Sun, with a day lasting 24 hours. Its surface includes diverse regions, from icy poles and molten lava flows to lush forests, wetlands, and dry deserts. It's our only known home, and we must strive to adapt and find sustainable ways to live in harmony with nature, instead of depleting and destroying it. Mars. Up next is Mars, also known as the Red Planet. Mars is another terrestrial planet, orbiting the Sun at an average distance of 228 million kilometers, 142 million miles. It takes 687 Earth days to complete one orbit, and a Martian day is 24.6 hours, almost identical to Earth's. Mars has a diameter of 6,779 kilometers, 4,212 miles, about half of Earth's size. Its surface is cold and dusty, with average temperatures around minus 60 degrees Celsius minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, though it can vary widely depending location and time of year. Near the equator, temperatures can climb to 20 degrees Celsius 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Mars's gravity is about 62% less than Earth's. So, someone weighing 220 pounds on Earth would weigh just 83 pounds on Mars. Mars shares many characteristics with Earth, making it a fascinating planet. Could humans one day colonize Mars? Let me know what you think in the comments. Jupiter. Fifth from the Sun is Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is a gas giant with a massive diameter of 139,820 kilometers, 86,880 miles, making it about 11 times larger than Earth. It orbits the Sun at a distance of 778 million kilometers, 484 million miles, completing a single orbit every 12 Earth years. However, a day on Jupiter lasts only 10 Earth hours. Being a gas giant, Jupiter has no solid surface. Beneath its clouds lies an ocean of liquid metallic hydrogen, kept in that state by extreme atmospheric pressure. Temperatures in the upper atmosphere are about -145 degrees Celsius -234 degrees Fahrenheit, but near the core, they could rise to 24,000 degrees Celsius 43,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of the Sun. If someone weighing 100 pounds stood atop Jupiter's clouds, they'd feel as if they weighed 240 pounds due to its gravity being 2.4 times stronger than Earth's. However, falling into Jupiter's clouds would result in being crushed and vaporized by intense pressure. Jupiter is also known for its violent storms, the most famous being the Great Red Spot, a massive hurricane at least twice the size of Earth that's been raging for centuries, with winds reaching 423 kilometers per hour, 270 miles per hour. While Jupiter is incredibly hostile to life, it remains an awe-inspiring and stunning planet. Saturn. Next, we have Saturn, one of the most beautiful planets, renowned for its spectacular rings. Saturn is a gas giant, measuring 116,460 kilometers, 72,364 miles, in diameter. It orbits the Sun at a distance of 1.4 billion kilometers, 886 million miles, taking about 29 Earth years to complete one orbit. A day on Saturn lasts just under 11 Earth hours. Saturn has 3 cloud layers, with conditions changing as you go deeper. The top layer consists of ammonia ice, with temperatures from -173 degrees Celsius to -113 degrees Celsius, -280 degrees Fahrenheit to -270 degrees Fahrenheit. The middle layer contains frozen water with temperatures ranging from -88 degrees Celsius to -3 degrees Celsius, -127 degrees Fahrenheit to -26 degrees Fahrenheit. And the lower layers can reach 57 degrees Celsius 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Saturn's gravity is about 1.08 times that of Earth, so someone weighing 100 pounds on Earth would weigh 108 pounds there. Its atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium, though there might be a solid core deep within. Saturn is truly magnificent, and even a basic telescope can reveal its beauty. I highly recommend taking a look if you can.